Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to fix no internet connection, connect to internet and try again error on CapCut. You can see that Apple device also connected to the internet. The same error still on CapCut that no internet connection, connect to internet and try again. Solution 1. Click on App Store. Click on picture profile from top right corner. Scroll down to find CapCut. If update available, then click on update. Make sure that your apps is up to date. Solution 2. Click on settings app. Turn on airplane mode. After a few seconds, turn off airplane mode. Solution 3. Force to restart your device. Quickly press and release volume up button and quickly press and release volume down button. Finally press and hold power button until you see the Apple logo. If you have iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, then press and hold power button and volume down button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. If you have 6S Plus, then press and hold power button and home button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. Solution 4. Click on settings app. In settings page, click on general. Next, click on iPhone storage. Scroll down, find CapCut and click on it. Click on upload app and reinstall it. Internet connection error is solved. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.